Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. So firstly, small account, we made a good, I think 2.85%, almost the 3% target yesterday. So that was fairly good, on the way to recovering. If we look at the DAX at the moment, we've got a level here on these previous highs, these last two fractals on the daily. And you can see now this is the third day in a row that we've rejected this level. And that to me is indicating that we do have a bit of a channel, or alternatively a flag that's brewing. And I am anticipating a break of this, basically to come and tag this previous high. Okay, making a lot of work of it at the moment, and this weekly engulfing bar is what's basically setting me off at the moment. It could also be an exhaustion bar, and we could end up with a sort of a piercing pattern here. Anyway, it's still early in the week, so not going to worry too much about that at the moment. Here you can see the structure that we have here. So we've got one fractal, two fractals, three fractals on the 3 hour, and we are not breaking above this level. Okay, if I put that in there, you'll see a triangle apart from this little move down yesterday. And you can see where the buyers stepped in as well. They stepped in right here at the gap close. Okay, so this here was a pretty good trade. Back up, but the fact that we are in the moving averages like this, and our oscillators are all over the place, there is nothing going on here. Okay, so what we're looking for at the moment is some catalyst. Now, if you look at the hour, that's almost 2 days now that we've been basically big up, big down, 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 big up, big down. And then we've got this massive pin bar. And on the 4 hour, it's a big green pin bar as well. And that indicates that the buyers have stepped in for some reason. So I'm still bullish on this, but we're going to have to wait and see what happens here. Anything can happen right now for the fact that we just chugged along in a very tight, well-defined range, basically. I just want to get to the 12 minutes here, and there's, I mean, even in the 12 minutes, if you look at this here, if I just minimize that like that, we had a big move down, big move up, a double top target got taken, another double bottom, and then we went straight into sort of a narrowing triangle here. You see there it is there, and there it is there. And we broke that to the upside, big move up, big move down, big move up, and then closing big move down. So lots of confusion here, lots and lots of confusion. And I think for me, it's probably wise just to stay out of this until we get a decent direction, until we see our moving averages pointing up and we start moving. But when we've got all the moving averages in the same area, so if I just change this to okay, so here I have a different set of moving averages. I've got a 200 EMA, and then we've got a 20, 50, and 100. All of them, I think they're EMAs. Yeah, they're all EMAs. So they're all EMAs, but look, they're all grouped together. And if I take it to the hour, you can see we're using the 50 EMA as support at the moment. Okay, so that to me is still bullish, still very bullish, but I don't think there is an opportunity here just yet. And I don't even think, I'm not even going to say take it on a fractal break, because our fractal break currently is 52 points. It's not too bad, but often when you find it, when you're ranging like this and you break to the upside, break to the downside, that's a breakout pattern. You don't know which way it's going to break out, but that is a breakout pattern. So you need to start watching very carefully what price action is going to do. Okay, so I suppose we could argue that those are the two fractals we need to pay attention to. Um, I'm not. I'm of the opinion we need to wait for better structure. I don't even think we should bother trading this at all. If we look at Ichimoku, it's not going to give us anything. You can see we're in and out of Kijisen and Tekinson flat cloud. This is nothing. There's nothing on offer here. Same on the day, on the half hour, flat Kijisen, flat Tekinson. Only significant thing here is that we're coming into the cloud and we've got a good chance of breaking through the cloud. That is bullish. So, the bias is slightly to the upside. So bullish, bullish. Oh no, that's come back in. Okay, so it's really just bullish and bullish. Nothing else there. On the hour, we have had a bullish cross, but that's it. Chico Span needs to get through price. We're in the cloud. Cloud is pretty thick, so I do suspect this to continue for first part of the day at least. And then we'll see what happens later on. And if we look at the 4 hour, apart from this bar here, which I think we need a 4 hour close above 13,494, but that may be too late because the previous high target is, I think it's, check that, I'm spot on. So the 4 hour target is fairly close, which wouldn't leave you much of a trade. So, I want to see some structure on a lower time frame to get in, but there's nothing on any of the time frames. And on the daily, still flat, and we are very far from Kijisen and Tekinson. So I think I'm going to be parking this one today as well. I was in it yesterday on my other accounts, but I basically got out of all of my trades right now. So I'm going to wait and see. I don't see anything on offer for the DAX at the moment. I suspect we're going to continue in this range. If you want to trade ranges, then by all means trade the range. But I'm looking for the breakout, and the breakout is close. It may not be to the upside. That's the only thing that's starting to brew at the moment. So for the DAX, I'm sitting on the sidelines. Watch this from afar. Hope that helps, guys, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.